So I've just been talking away to myself, thinking I'd pressed record, and I hadn't. There's gorgeous little Mr. Robin. Just a minute ago, he was sat on top of the... It's hard to find stuff when you zoomed in. Sat on top of the bird feeder, tweeting away. Oh, where's he gone? Oh, there he is, still up in the tree. Hang on, let's find him. Just above that. There we go. I need to go stock up on fat balls and bird food. So a little bit of bread this morning will be alright. Last couple of days, him and all his friends have had some lovely pork fat, and yesterday they had a huge pile of bread soaked in pork fat, and they loved it. Absolutely loved it. Oh, he's waiting for me. There he is, gorgeous birdie. I'm coming. Oh, he's just flown down onto there and I missed it. Super fast little birdie he is. God knows where he's gone now. He'll be there somewhere. Oh, he's back up in the tree. Right. Oh. Yeah. Best put some food down. Hello. Hello, Dan. Are you coming to get some breakfast? Hey? You play hide and seek? Oh, what am I going to do about my little birdies? So guys, yes, the garden's still a mess. We had it all cut down. It wasn't done right. Then we found out the house is definitely subsiding. There he is, look. So we kind of gave it up as a bad job. Hello, beautiful. Because the chances are we're going to have to move out. Whether that's temporary or what, we don't know. No decisions will be made till after Christmas. Oh, sorry, baby. So what I'm going to do about all my little babies, I don't know. I need to take everything down off the tree. Usually take it down for winter anyway. Been a bit slack this year. Not been the best year. And all this went wrong. But my borage grew back. Wasn't expecting it to, but it did. Obviously it's looking a little worse for wear now. We're still getting some new flowers on it, but I will be taking cuttings of things in case we don't come back. I'll be taking a cutting from Dela. I think possibly it's not good news, but because of this subsidence, I think those trees are going to have to come down, guys. Still not being decided if it's the trees or not yet. I don't think it is. Those ones in the middle, those smaller ones, they self-seeded over the last few years and just sprung up from nowhere. But the big ones at the back, they're the ones that might have to come down, and that one there, that's the cherry tree. We think that's the cause. Oh, there's Mr. Robin. Oh, now then, we had some other birds here the other day. And as per usual, I didn't quite get out quick enough with my camera. Not seen them before. About size of a sparrow. But they had some really amazing black and yellow markings on the back and on the wings. Looked a bit like a chessboard, checkerboard if you're American. I did try looking them up in my little birdie book, and there is a couple of options. Names slipped me by for now, but yeah, I'll be honest, I ain't been keeping up to feeding them as much as I should. But it doesn't take them long to come back. I got some fat balls a couple of weeks ago. And garden had been sort of quiet-ish for a couple of weeks, but within an hour or two of putting fat balls out, all birdies were back. So that's good to know. They do always know where to come back to. And to be fair, there is quite a lot of food for them in the garden with it being like it is, because it obviously generates a lot of insect life. You get a lot of berries obviously on the bramble bushes. The bramble bushes that were supposed to have been dug out. But never mind. I mean, as you can see, we put some steps in. Now covered by the brambles. That's how quickly they've grown back. But when they're growing from there and the land next to that, not a lot I can do. Fighting a losing battle. Anyway, I'll put a bit more out and leave them to it. There we go. And I will go get some more bird food later. Bye guys.